My name is Jean-Daniel Lafontant. I'm born and raised in Haiti. And my profession, I'm a marketing specialist who has converted in becoming much more a cultural entrepreneur. And my long life as a servitor, someone that serves the spirits, the loi of Haiti, the people, and the culture of Haiti, which is Vodou, is currently my primary occupation. The particularity of Forever Rara Fanm is that it's not a traditional Rara band. And because I am not a traditional Vodou priest, I have a very big interest in that women would have the lead roles in what men did traditionally. These girls, I have to tell you, I'm not only fascinated by their energy and their talent, but also their condition of living being what it is, because they live, some of them, in extreme poverty. You may have seen, it's time for them not only to get some recognition, but to get also some financial advantages that may allow them to have a minimum in the future. So the film that is being made, in my opinion, will be not only a legacy to the Rara Fanm in general, but a legacy also to the Haitian culture and to the Haitian youth, which for me is not only the hope, but is Haiti, because the population is very young, and that energy that is constant, that resilience that is constant, is also in many ways the resilience and the energy of the youth. So for me, this is why I'm into that project.